All right, I am here downtown Peterborough, Ontario. My second time here in Peterborough. I was here last week for Canada Day, 2 nights, and I guess with the holiday, this store's was closed for holiday, but they're open now. I've already been in, and I got their permission if I can vlog, and I'm gonna buy some chopsticks and maybe some other things they have. And it's well organized, so it's like a mini Chinatown in one store. So here we are. Look at all this. It's like this is like a mini Chinatown in one store.
That's right, yeah.
This is amazing. And how long have you been here?
45 years.
45 years. Family business, obviously. Amazing. 45 years. That's amazing. And this is well organized compared to Toronto Chinatown, but Toronto Chinatown has a lot of character, history, and all that. Those are this shrimp chips. Deep fry those ones. Wow, 45 years. These are my favorite mushrooms. Oh, they even the other ones. Cool. Amazing. Oh, here's my favorite. A quick fix. Not the like it has to be consistent. Can't always eat that, but it's amazing. Now, is there a lot of Chinese community here in Peterborough?
Not a lot.
No?
No. Most of my customers are non-Asian. Yeah.
That's good. And I like the fact that I just had a slice of pizza at Brothers Pizza, and everyone knows everyone, right?
Yeah.
You know your customers, and I think that is amazing.
Loyal customers, yeah.
Oh, and you have even like this one. I saw this on the news, or not social media. It's good for this cough and something like that.
Yeah, very good for cough.
Ah, and other things too.
Yeah. It's for
Dietary, or no?
yeah. More for the cough.
More for the cough. I do have like, not like a cold cough. It's more like a stress cough. How much is the smaller one?
$9.99.
Okay, I'll take that. Herbal cough syrup. All right. I have Tiger Balm. Do you have royal jelly? My mom used to make me eat that all the time. But a smaller one? Or no? I don't need such a big thing. Oh, you don't have small.
I can sell them individually.
You do?
Yeah.
Like what's like
The inside of that is 30 vials, so I can sell the vials.
vials?
individually.
Is it vials or is it tablet?
These are vials.
Oh, no.
These are liquid, yeah.
Oh, no. I took it from
Oh, okay.
the capsules. Yeah.
We don't have the
You don't have the capsules. Okay, I can get that. Toronto, I guess. What's this? Beef jerky. Oh, I remember all that.
Yeah.
I remember all the beef jerky. I remember a lot of things that I used to eat and now I don't eat them. Oh, the cough phlegm. Don't recognize this one, but this one I do recognize. What's the taste of it again?
It's sweet.
It's sweet, okay.
Honey, there's honey added.
Okay,
So it's
got it.
Yeah.
Herbal candy. This is the candy in this?
Yeah.
Oh. I can use that. Is it different ones? What's it? Oh, tangerine lemon.
That's
Original. Tangerine lemon. I don't even know how it tastes. I'll do the original. Just to be safe. Wait a minute, right? Ping on it. Okay. I remember. No, this is ginseng.
royal jelly.
No, I don't. It was. No.
Just royal jelly.
Royal jelly. Is that the bee, right? Not the ginseng, but the royal jelly.
How are you?
Yeah, so I was gonna do some other walks, but I don't think we're gonna have time for that, and I don't feel rushed. I need my shopping cart. There's so many good things. Amazing. I did see something over here. We have more things over hidden here. Oh, this is a big chopsticks for cooking, I guess. All right. Really nice stuff here. I'm getting these chopsticks. Their last one, I would love to have gotten a few as gifts. These are great practical gifts. I need to replenish my chopsticks. And then might get a little tea thing set here. I have to get a gift. No. Or a housewarming gift too. Maybe this one. Yeah, housewarming gift. How much is this one?
$17.99.
17?
Yeah, 17.
I need a housewarming gift. I think I'll take this one.
Yeah.
What other thing? Oh, that's a hot pot. Come with the stove. $79.99. No, that's for sake. That's if you drink sake. I want something for tea. Oh, that would be for that. Oh, how much is this? Okay, let me see. This one. Just think now. Can you open this? I want to see if I can match anything. That's quite modern. Okay, let me just see. Let me just hold it a bit. Traditional looking. Probably find other ones in Toronto. You have other things in the window that I want to see. Oh, those ones. Let's see. All right, I think I'm good now. Yeah, let's. All right, heading out now. Oh, excuse me. Sorry. Oh, sorry. All right. Bin's Chinese grocery. Okay, it doesn't look like I'm gonna have time to find my way to the locks. I don't think so. I'm going to try to connect with the buses. So I don't want to rush. That's the thing. By the time I walk to the locks, I'm going to have to head back. So I'll just continue walking the downtown George Street here. See if there's any other shops, because when I was here last week a lot of places were closed because of the holiday. So